Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create recurring task on Asana. So this is very simple method, just follow these steps. First of all, you can see this is the main interface of Asana. All the options are available, but we will now click on the project option. So after clicking on project option, you can see new tab is appear. Now we will click on board. Also under the board, we will click on our task record videos on daily basis. Now we will click on date. We will add due date, like I'm adding 29 Wednesday 22. You can also change your date and time according to your choice. So finally you have got to know all the process we have concluded. So in this way you will easily create a recurring task on Asana